How to delete watch history on Facebook. So let's begin. First, you need to open the Facebook application, and after that you have to tap on these three lines that you see here appearing in the top right corner. You need to click on it, then scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and after that go into settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down and look for an option called activity log. Click on this activity log option and then scroll these options to the left. Here you need to find an option called videos watched. Click on this option. As soon as you click on it, you'll see your entire watch history displayed here. From here, you can clear any video from your watch history that you want. For example, if I want to clear this particular video from my watch history, I will tap on these three lines that you see here. I will click on them. Then if I click on delete here, you can see that the video has been removed from here. And here you can do this one by one. If you want to clear all the videos or your entire watch history in one click, you can click on this and then click on clear, and your entire watch history will be cleared. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell icon.